This is a tree fern, and according to paleontologists, this is one of the plants that survived the dinosaur era, approximately 65 million years ago.
This is St. John's wort, which you might have heard of. Saw palmetto.
Boil it and then shock treat it, and it tastes similar like asparagus. This is Robusta canephora or Arabica coffee. As you can see, we have two types here. Whenever they ripe, it's either red or yellow. All right. And what happened is before we had shaded. This was shaded coffee, but then the bark beetle came, and this coffee has shown that it has adapted itself to sunlight, and it's doing even better now.
Ripe coffee. Got a lot of seeds. Two.
Yeah. It tastes like.
Doesn't taste like coffee.
No.
What does it taste like? A pea.
Yeah.
It tastes like a pea.
Mm-hmm.
One of the coolest creatures you'll see out here are the leaf-cutting ants. So just they carry these huge, for them, leaves on their back, and then they make little trails. Like it's incredibly amazing to me how these tiny little things put this whole trail together. They are very interesting creatures.